Hello. This is my little house. This is a window. That is a door. Open, close. This is sand. This is a torch. I broke it. I am inside. I placed a torch. This is bamboo. I have some wheat seeds. Don't eat them. My chest, my furnace, my crafting table, my bed. I have a lot in my inventory. I need more bamboo. I took it out. I am going to make some blocks. Perhaps I need more blocks. My little house looks good. I will remove the sand. I am removing it all. I will place some new blocks. Perhaps it will be a bamboo floor. Stripped bamboo. I used my axe, my iron axe. I am taking out more bamboo. I closed my chest. I need to make more blocks. I have 7 blocks of bamboo now. That looks good. I will remove every block of sand. Okay, that looks good. I will place the bamboo now. I need to take out more bamboo again. I need to make more blocks again. Okay, now I can place more blocks. I had a lot of bamboo. Have, having, had. Okay, I will take out a little more. I am using my crafting table a lot. I need a lot of bamboo to make blocks. Okay, that looks very good. My little house is very cute. I don't see the blocks. I want slabs. I want to make some slabs. Perhaps I will use sand. I made some sandstone blocks. Okay, now I will make some slabs. I am using all of my sand. I am up on the wall. The wall is not tall. It is short. Slabs are short too. Okay, I need more sand now. I am going to jump in the water. Perhaps I fell in the water, not jumped. I see cactuses, bamboo, sugarcane, and a little desert. I want a panda and an armadillo. A small desert. There are also a lot of torches. I want sandstone. I see a lot of trees. That is the jungle. I am happy. My house looks good. I will use my hand to dig the sand. I am digging with my hand. I won't get all of the sand. I won't get every block. I will get some blocks. I have a lot of sand in my inventory. I will use it to make more slabs. That looks good. Jump. I am going up again. My little house is very cute. Pigs are cute too. Squid are not very cute. I am walking outside. I will go inside. I opened and closed my door. Now I am inside my house. I made the walls and the floor, and now I am going to make the roof. I need to make more slabs. I have an iron axe and an iron sword in my inventory. I have some copper too. I have a furnace too, and watermelons, and pumpkins, and seeds, and fence blocks, and shears, and some logs, and some torches, and some wheat. I have a lot. I have a lot in my chest too. I have some lapis lazuli, some flowers, some cocoa beans, some iron ingots, some iron nuggets, some emeralds, some red sand, and a diamond. I have a lot. I am going to make a new pickaxe. I made a new iron pickaxe. I need to use a pickaxe to remove the slabs. I need to use an axe to cut the wood and cut down the trees. My roof looks very good now. I am going to place some torches. Perhaps it is sunset. I see the sun on the water. I will remove these slabs on the crafting table. I don't need these blocks now. I am taking a lot of blocks out of my inventory. I don't need every block. I need some of them, not all of them. Close the chest. I want to use the mud. Perhaps I will place the mud on the sand. That looks good. Shut the door. Perhaps I need a new chest. It is not raining now. There are not a lot of clouds now. Perhaps I will see the moon. Perhaps I will see some stars. I like the night sky. I need more wood. I have a lot of coal. I am going to put the copper in the furnace. I don't need copper. I need coal to make copper ingots. Oh, sunset. Sunsets are beautiful. I am rowing my boat on the ocean. I see the sky. I see a lot of trees in the jungle. I see a lot of sand in the desert. I am going to the jungle to cut down some trees. I need more jungle logs. I want a diamond axe. I got in my boat again, and now I am going to my little house. Oh, I see the moon. It is beautiful. I don't see any stars. The ocean looks beautiful. I saw the coral reef too. Look at the moon on the water. Now I see some stars. I see the clouds too. It is night. The ocean. A coral reef. I am happy. I am running and jumping on the roof. And I fell. Open and close. I am inside now. Good night.